Hello, this is Naeem. In this video, I will show you how to create a size chart for your print-on-demand Shopify store. This size chart looks like this one. Here the print-on-demand products t-shirt available, and here the size chart, view size chart. If I click on the view size chart, then on pop-up size chart is show. Here inches, it's showing all inches, all measurement are inches, and if I click centimeter, all measurement are centimeter. So I hope you understand what is size chart, and it's very important for a print on demand store. If you working with print on demand like Printify or Printful, and you are selling t-shirt, hoodies, sweatshirt, you must need a size chart in your product page. Okay, so here size chart, we can change the length, we can change width, we can change sleeve also, no problem. Also we can change the icon, or we can change the diagram, t-shirt diagram. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so for create a size chart, we should go to the Shopify dashboard. So here I have a page, so I will delete this page because I will create another one in your front. Okay, delete. I'm just deleting this one. So in the product page, if I go to product page, edit, then here the product page, here the product page, if I go to the product page like view size chart, and if I click remove, okay, it's removing, and if I save, okay, so if I refresh this page, this product page, so now I have not any size chart, and I will create in your front how we use a size chart in our Shopify store, print on demand Shopify store. So for create a size chart, first of all we need to create a page, because we will use a pop-up size chart in our Shopify store with a page. So I will go to the page option, and I will click on the add page, and I will create a page like size chart. Okay, if you want, you can use t-shirt size chart. Like if I use t-shirt size chart, it's perfect, no problem. So I will click on the visible, and content will be show HTML. I will click because I will use a code. So I already write a code for you, and here the code, and I will give you this code docs link in my YouTube video description. So please check video description, and please subscribe my channel. Okay, so if you face any problem with this code, I will help you, no problem, you can contact me. So here this code, you don't need to change anything. First of all, if I scroll down here on option inches table, we saw in our size chart page we have two types size chart. One is inches, one is centimeter. So first of all we put inches. So here a source link. What the link? So this link is a size chart link, like we already uploaded a. If I click save, okay, this size chart page is saved. Okay, I'm just go to content and files. We already uploaded this one, this picture. It's a SVG, transparent background SVG, or you can use any picture like a diagram for a t-shirt or hoodies or sweatshirt. If you want to create a size chart for t-shirt, so you will use t-shirt. If you want to create a size chart for hoodie, you can use on hoodie, and your hoodie needs to this diagram like length, width, sleeve. Okay, so I hope you understand how it's work, and we can create this type of design with Canva. I think you can use Canva, so you can create on, and you can save SVG version. SVG version is good for size chart. Okay, I'm just exist. So I already created on diagram and uploaded on my how can upload. Just click on the upload file, then click this file, and then upload. Okay, so I already uploaded, so I will not upload again. Okay, so here the size chart, and here the link. Okay, I mean here not a size chart, it's a t-shirt diagram, our size chart element. So I will click the link, copy link, and I will paste this link here. So I used this link, I mean this link, and I used in my docs this link. both link is same because I used my t-shirt diagram as visual link. Okay, so I hope if you want, you can also download this on, like if you open this link in, you can download, so you don't need t-shirt diagram, you can create for sweatshirt or hoodies, you can use this one, no problem. Okay, so I already put this link here. So if you want to create a side chart for sweatshirt, so you must need to change this one. Okay, just create a sweatshirt diagram with a Canva and save like SVG and put this link here. Okay, and you must need to change the alt text here. So like if you want to create a sweatshirt side chart, so you can use here replace this word t-shirt to sweatshirt or hoodies. Okay, I hope you understand. Same thing here and same thing is here, because we already see our side chart and where I used on version is centimeter and another version is inches. So this is for inches and this is for centimeter. So please update both link, okay, and both alt text. Okay, so I hope you understand. And here the another reason, if you want to change, like if I copy this link, I mean if I copy the code and I will go to the page, online store, then pages and the side chart page, and here if I put show HTML and the HTML if I put, and if I click here, so here we can see the length, width, sleeve, sizes. So if you want to change the sizes, you must need to change sizes from the code. Not, you cannot use the preview mode. If you use the preview mode, your size chart not work like this one. If I show this website here on the size chart available, same thing, centimeter. If I click on the inches, it's not working. But I already show you my size chart, and in my size chart it's workable. Okay, but this website, I mean this store edited in the preview mode, so it's not working right now. So must be, you need to remember, don't edit your code, I mean don't edit your size chart in the preview mode in the page section. Okay, so please edit on the HTML section. Okay, so I'm just removing this code and I'm putting again this code. If you want to change anything else like this one, you can copy this docs file, I mean you can copy whole code and then put a new docs file, and please edit carefully. This length, I add a color for length. Don't need to change the length, don't need to change the length, just change the value here, 71, 73, something. What's your size, you can use yourself. I think you understand. Same thing with sleeve, also for inches measurement. Okay, also for inches measurement, just only change the value, okay, and don't change anything else. Okay, so I hope you understand what's the code and what's the HTML, how it's work. So if you change your code yourself, then copy whole code, you need to copy full code, you cannot skip any part. Okay, copy whole code, just go to your page and here you should paste this code and click on the save button. Okay, after saving you should go to online store and here theme and click edit theme. Okay, after clicking the edit theme, you must go to product and then product page. It will be default product page because I have already 100+ products in this store, but all product assigned with default product because this store selling only t-shirts. We are focusing only t-shirt. Okay, we are not selling sweatshirt, not selling hoodies. So every t-shirt measurement is same, so we can use only default. But if you sell t-shirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, so must be you need to create multiple product template, like product page template, like on for t-shirt, on for sweatshirt, on for hoodies and others. Okay, I hope you understand. So I'm just clicking the default product, and after clicking the default product, so I can see here the product page, and here we have not any size chart. So how can I add a size chart? So just click on the arrow and here add block, and click the pop-up. We will put a pop-up page here. So this pop-up is here, but we should use this pop-up under the variant picker, because we will use the size chart under the size, okay, and before quantity, okay, top of the quantity. Okay, so now here I will use the name of the pop-up name, like this pop-up name will be view size chart, okay, and here select page, and here t-shirt size chart. I'm just clicking the t-shirt size chart, and after clicking I can save. Okay, it's saved. Okay, I hope it's working. Okay, so now I will go to my page, this product page, in the public mode, and if I refresh it, okay, so here view size chart, I'm just click here, this pop-up is working, and here centimeter inches. If I right now I'm in the I'm in the inches size chart, so it's showing inches and all measurement in inches, and centimeter I am showing the centimeter and all measurement in centimeter. So I hope you understand how you can create a size chart for your t-shirt, for your hoodies, for your sweatshirt. So same thing, just change the value from the code, okay, and I will attach this code to docs link in my video description. Please check my video description carefully, then you can see. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe me and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn as well. Bye bye. Have a nice day.